Hey Girl Scouts, it's Bex. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own lava lamp at home using things that you can find around your house. What you're going to need for this video is a water bottle, any type of plastic bottle, food coloring, some vegetable oil, and an effervescent tablet, aka Alka-Seltzer. So like I said, you can find all of these things around your home and you can put them all together to create a wonderful lava lamp. So what I'm gonna do first is I have some water in a water bottle. You're gonna wanna fill it 1/3 of the way and then fill the rest of the bottle with vegetable oil. Bummer. It's okay. It's all right. Sometimes science experiments get messy, but that's a-okay. We are going to keep going, all for the sake of science. When I poured the vegetable oil into the water, what it did was it actually separates. You can see that water and oil do not mix together. Now I'm going to put my color dye into the bottle. I chose pink. One drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. Actually, we'll do 4. 4. Gotta leave on an even number. Okay. Actually, let's do a little more. The color dye is going to go down to the bottom and mix with the water. So now I'm going to put my effervescent tablets, aka Alka-Seltzer, but I'm going to break it up into 4 little pieces. Each half of the tablet, you're gonna drop it in and you're gonna see that it's gonna turn into a lava lamp, but it only works with the cap off. So make sure that you don't put the cap on because that won't work. Okay, start dropping it in. Ooh, the suspense. And you can see all of the bubbles are starting to come up. Pretty cool. The lava lamp motion. And there you go. There's your lava lamp. You can see they're all starting to mix together. And then if you want to reactivate your lava lamp again, you just do another tablet and you'll put the little pieces in there and there you go. There you have it. You have your at-home lava lamp. I could just stare at this forever. It's pretty cool if you ask me. What is the science behind this? The science behind this is when you drop the tablet into the bottle, it goes down and it starts to dissolve. The tablet starts to dissolve and it releases gas. What that gas does is it brings that bubble of water all the way up to the top. Then that water bubble comes all the way back down. And it does the same thing and it just cycles and it brings it all the way to the top. And that's what it is. It's just the gas from the tablet, the effervescent tablet, brings that water back up. You can see that the gas underneath there, that tablet that started to dissolve, is just gas that brings that water all the way up to the surface and it comes in little bubbles, right? Because oil and water do not mix. So there's your science for the day. I hope that this was a fun activity that you can do at home with your family, maybe with your friends. And I hope this little science activity got you more excited about STEM at home. Until next time, peace out, Girl Scout. Goodbye.